Welcome to the last month of 2023, month of December. Like, we were just in January and now we're in December. 2023 is actually coming to an end. Just like that. Just like that. Welcome back, family. Welcome back, everyone. If this is the first time that you are stumbling on my face, my name is Chi and I concentrate on fashion. Pretty much anything I do love to talk about right here. So if it sounds like what you're interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Become part of this my little growing family. Let's be friends. And to my returning subscribers, you all know I love you. Thank you guys for coming back. God bless you. Today is going to be an unboxing video. I haven't done unboxings here for a while. Let's just get into it. First item I'm going to share with you all is a fragrance right in this orange bag. I'm really not a fragrance expert, guru, or whatever. I just love to smell really nice. This is the fragrance right here. It's called Twilly or Ginger Udo Perfume. I got the biggest size, which is 2.8 fluid ounce. So I got the tester to see if I'm actually going to love this fragrance. This was the only fragrance I felt like it would go well with my body chemistry. I'm usually like a sweet vanilla kind of lady. It has ginger to it. It's kind of woody. It's meant to be warm, sensational. I love that woody kick, like the woody kick to it. Once it settles down on my clothes or my body, I kind of like realized that sweet ginger scent on my body, and I love it, and it just really went well with my body chemistry. I'm gonna be opening this right here. This was given to me by my friend Weezy OT. Thank you, darling. I love this. Right here is a Twilly, and let's just go ahead and open it up. This is a Twilly. It's so pretty. It's so gorgeous. Mixture of orange, black, navy blue. The horses right there. And I just love the intertwined pipings right here. Like right there. You can see that. It's gorgeous. You can tie it like so if I want to. It says Hermes Paris right there. This is a great accessory to have in your closet. Like, it will pull any item to the next level. This Twilly is for the next item that I'm going to be sharing with you all. Let's unbox the actual item that I have to show you guys. So this is the item right here. You can see the box. You know this is not a Birkin or a Calle. I actually saw this bag last year and my essay gave it to me and I rejected it. At that time, I was just so concerned about acquiring my Birkin. And so I wasn't really looking at the bag like that. So I said no to her. This year, in March, I went over and did a whole new wish list. I told her that, you know what, I want a bucket bag, don't mind ordering this bag. And so she said, okay, I offered you this bag before and you said no. So I started laughing. So she was like, okay, so what's your spec? I told her I wanted something black because I only have one black bag, which is my Chanel 19. I have worn that bag to that. And so I wanted another everyday, kind of like easy pickup, drop down bag. I don't really have to be very careful about. She went ahead, put in an order for a Picotin. In here is a Picotin bag. So this is how it comes. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. Alright, so this is the dust bag right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is the bag I got. This is called Picotin 18. The Picotin bag was introduced in 2002. The bags that were used to feed the horses, that was where the inspiration was drew from to create the Picotin. So let's talk about the specs of this bag. Picotin bag comes in various sizes, with the Picotin 18 being the most coveted style, like the most talked about, the most sought after size. Hermes Picotin is a bucket shaped bag with an open top. So these open top help with a very easy access to accessories that are going to be inside the bag. The Hermes Picotin comes with its signature calle lock, and this helps to add additional security to your items in the bag. It's a very casual bag, but then turns out to be more like a elegant stylish bag. So the construction of this bag is a Hermes retourné, so it's inside out, it's unlined, and it's on treat, therefore making the bag really lightweight. Bottom of the Picotin bag has 4 protective metal fits, which helps to reinforce the durability and the structure of the bag when it's empty. And this is just how the inside looks like with the Hermes stamp inside of it. This is Clemence leather. It's really like a slouchy leather. It's not firm. See that? Really soft. Also has the little pebbles, like very tiny pebbles, like the Togo leather fabric. One great thing to this is the hardware. I asked for black on gold hardware. Love the bag. It's so petite, like an everyday simple style bag. I go out with the bag for a quick lunch with friends. Can go to the movies with this bag. I plan to get an insert for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cliche on this bag, and here we go. It's so beautiful. Now this is where the Twilly comes in place. So look at the Twilly like placed on the bag. Look at how gorgeous the Twilly is. I opted out for one Twilly because I'm not tying the Twilly on the handle of the bag. I'm gonna tie the Twilly somewhere right here. Just let it hang down like a bow. So I'm gonna show you guys how I am going to be placing the Twilly on this bag. I'll be putting these items inside the bag. So my wallet, mini organizer, hand sanitizer, mini makeup bag, a mini travel size fragrance because we need to smell fresh, a lip gloss, earpods, and yeah, that's all in the bag. So far, 2 items have been crossed out from my 2023 wish list. I didn't have a gigantic or a long wish list. I only had 3 items this year that I really wanted to get, and hopefully the 3rd one would be crossed out before the end of the year. If not, it's not a biggie. We move it to next year. The good thing is it is a special order. Special orders usually take a longer time. This brings me to the end of this entire haul. I hope you guys love this Picotin bag. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and a notification bell so you get notified anytime I post any branded content right here on my channel. With that being said, thank you lovelies, thank you family, and I catch you guys in the next one. Take care and remain blessed. Bye. Mwah.